Yo, what y'all doing? What's up, man? What you guys doing? You guys riding?
What's up, bro?
What's up, my brother?
Josh, what's up, baby?
Honey, how are you?
What's up, baby?
How are you? Good, good, good. How you doing? How you doing? Josh, nice to meet you. Closter?
Yeah, Clouston.
Where's that?
All up close to Belgrade.
Actually, I'm meeting up with the guy from Ryker Riders. He's in Lake Placid.
It's almost the same direction.
Is it?
And go around on 27 and go down. He can come back.
Okay, that's what's up. Yeah, yeah. Like 70 all the way down, and we'll ride down. Hey, yeah, we're going out that way.